everyone, I'm Madeline from the Newman Brighton Library, and today we're going to be doing another fun science experiment, and it is the GooZooka slime kits that you can pick up at the library. So in your kit, you have got a little packet of guar gum, which comes from a plant and it's used to make a gel in all different kinds of things, like either food or lotion, that kind of stuff. And then you've got this little vial of this green sodium tetraborate liquid. Now this is a liquid borax, so whenever you're done making your slime, make sure that you wash your hands, and also wash your hands after you play with it. So this experiment is for ages 8 and up. So if you're a little bit younger, I would say definitely have your parents help you with this one. But before you start making your slime, I laid down some newspaper on the table just in case that there is a mess. The instructions say to use 40 milliliters of warm water. That is about 1/6 of a cup. So you can use your 1/3 measuring cup and just fill it up halfway with some warm water from the sink. So that's your first step. You want to put that in your plastic cup. And then your next step is you want to add your guar gum powder. Now you want to make sure that it's all at the bottom here because you want to get all of that into your cup. You just take some scissors and cut the top off. Then dump that in. Make sure it's all in there. And then you want to take your little popsicle stick here and mix it up. It should start to form some kind of gel in your cup. So right now mine's just clear like this. Alright, so now that you've got your cup with your water and guar gum mixture, you're ready to add the sodium tetraborate. Now, this little bottle here, once you take the green lid off, has this other little lid on it, and you're going to need to take that off first before you try to dump it in, because there's this little tiny plastic cap that's on it. I've already taken mine off. Now you can easily slide like a plastic knife or anything like that underneath the little cap to get it off. So once the little cap is off, you can put the other cap back on, and then you're ready to put it in. So what this is going to do, it's going to be our activator for the slime, and once you add it, you should see the slime starting to form. You can add a little bit at a time and mix it around and see what happens. I just added a little bit and it's already starting to get kind of goopy here. Let's see, I'm going to add a little bit more. So you don't have to add it all at one time if you don't want to. I think both ways it should work. It's definitely starting to get thicker. Alright, I think I'm going to add the rest of it. Alright, so all of that has been added. Now it's time to mix it up. It's definitely working. Alright, looking very slime-like now, as you guys can see. Alright, just a reminder before you take it out to play with it, definitely do not try to eat it, and remember to wash your hands when you're done playing with it. As you can see, it's getting pretty sticky and very slime-like now. So I think mine is ready to be taken out. Let's see here. Definitely feels very wet. And there it is. There is our GooZooka slime. It's definitely very messy and very runny. I would say maybe if you guys want to experiment with making it, maybe add a little bit less water, or maybe mix it a little bit longer and see if you can come up with a different kind of consistency. hope you guys had fun with this science experiment, and make sure to keep checking the New Brighton Library Facebook and Instagram pages to stay up to date on all of the fun activities and science experiments we have going on. Thank you.